We have come here today to talk to you about how we develop the Welsh language in our school through the Sanctaidd Iaith. We believe the area that we as Cymraeg Cymraeg have focused on this year and how we have implemented it has had significant impact on the development of Welsh ethos of the school, the pupils' attitude towards learning Welsh and the pupils' and staff's Welsh language skills. We hope that our presentation on our recent work will be helpful to you all.
The beginning, we took on our roles as Crew Cymraeg members in September 2016. We immediately carried on with the initiatives that were already in our place at school, such as sharing the phrase of the week and giving out awards in our weekly Gwobr Cymraeg Ail. Our school had introduced a new dojo reward system, which allowed us to track the Welsh points easily. The pupils responded well to the new reward system and were enthusiastic about competing for the Cymraeg Gymraeg award each week.
Problem. Unfortunately, our Gwobrau initiative was not having the same impact. After sharing the Gwobrau with pupils and staff during our Sanctaidd and creating posters to be displayed in classrooms and around the school, we found that pupils were still not using the Gwobrau as much as we would have hoped they would.
Amser. So after attending the Tannu Gymraeg conference in October and seeing all the good practice and sharing lots of ideas with all the other schools in the county, we decided we needed to make some improvements. As a Crew Cymraeg, we met and discussed how we would go about making these improvements. Firstly, we needed to make sure that all the staff at our school knew that we were working towards the Sanctaidd Iaith Bronze Award, so we created this video which Miss Richards shared with them in a staff meeting.
Hello.
Shwmae.
Croeso. Morda.
So how can you help us achieve the Sanctaidd Iaith Bronze Award? We would like you to use Welsh around the school and encourage everyone to speak Welsh.
Encourage everyone to have a go.
You could help us by using some everyday Welsh phrases in the class.
And reminding us to as well. We'd like you to speak Welsh with us on the playground.
This will help us all to practice our Welsh skills and create a strong Welsh environment outside the class. It doesn't matter if you get it wrong sometimes. We are learning together.
We also discussed a variety of different ways which we could share the Gwobrau. After some discussion, we decided that we would create a Gwobrau video to share in our weekly assembly. ICT is the strength at our school and we decided to put our skills to good use.
How do you go about creating the videos? We meet on a Thursday and begin the video by standing in a group and introducing the Gwobrau whilst Miss Richards videos us. We often use the Cymraeg Ail rewards display to choose the Gwobrau. We then create clips to show pupils where and how they can use the Gwobrau in school and outside. We also like to get the teachers involved, but sometimes they need some encouragement. Miss Richards helped us to set some of the scenarios to begin with, but now we're able to go around videoing children using the phrase ourselves. We all gather at the end of Friday lunch break so that the videos can be put together ready for the assembly. We all get a lot of enjoyment out of creating the video and we look forward to sharing them with the rest of the school.
What impact did the videos have? Our first video went down the storm during the Sanctaidd and all the pupils found the videos engaging and amusing. Pupils instantly started using the phrase of the week and we knew we had made an impression as the pupils left the Sanctaidd muttering the new Gwobrau.
As the weeks went by, we noticed that the children at our school looked forward to watching the Gwobrau videos. Not only this, but they also began turning up at the Crew Cymraeg meetings asking if they could be part of the videos. As the school year has progressed, many of our pupils have enjoyed being part of the videos.
Here is what some of the pupils and staffs at our school think about our Gwobrau videos.
Do you think that the phrase of the week has helped to improve your Welsh?
Yes, but the videos are fun.
Do you think that the phrase of the week has helped improve your Welsh?
Yeah, because when the phrase of the week started, I didn't know that much Welsh, but I do now.
Do you think that the phrase of the week has improved your Welsh?
Yes, because it's fun learning Welsh.
The phrase of the week has helped to improve your Welsh.
Yeah, I think it helps improve Welsh because people say it more because they know that they're going to get Welsh Dojo points for it, and then their class can win the Welsh trophy.
Do you think that the phrase of the week has helped to improve your Welsh?
Yeah, I think the phrase of the week has helped people improve their Welsh. They've been saying it like people using it more and getting dojo points.
Do you think that the phrase of the week has improved your Welsh?
Yes, because I've seen it because I've heard it in lots of classes.
That the phrase of the week has helped improve your Welsh?
Yes, because I use them at home with my mum.
Do you think that the phrase of the week has helped improve your Welsh?
Yes, I do. It's been so long since I was in school and I learnt Welsh myself that there's been so many words that have been reintroduced to me and I remember what they mean.
The phrase of the week has helped improve your Welsh?
Definitely. I've tried really hard to use the phrase myself, because I've heard lots of children in school using it, that's improved my Welsh as well.
Do you think that the phrase of the week has helped improve your Welsh?
I think the phrase of the week has helped improve the Welsh throughout the school, and it's encouraged everybody to use their patterns, which has been really, really beneficial, and everybody's feeling a lot more confident.
Do you think that the phrase of the week has helped to improve your Welsh?
Dwi wedi, achos mae'n hala chi feddwl mwy a practiso mwy.
We also put the phrase of the week on our wall graffiti for pupils to practice writing it. This also proves to be very popular. We no longer create the posters. This helps us to reduce the amount of paper that we are using. We do, however, write it on our Gwobr Cymraeg display board to remind everyone and share it with our parents on the school newsfeed on Dojo and Twitter. This is what some of our parents think of the phrase of the week.
I think that the Gwobr Cymraeg have done a fantastic job of improving Welsh in school and at home, and we look forward to hearing the Brawddeg yr Wythnos every week.
When I see the Brawddeg yr Wythnos appear on the Dojo feed, I use that as an opportunity to practice it at home with my daughter.
I think the Gwobr Cymraeg video is really good. As a Welsh learner, I can not only see the words, but I can hear them being spoken, and I can also learn together with my daughter.
We'd like to finish by showing you our most recent Phrase of the Week video. We hope you enjoy it. Moyn hew.
Shwmae, dyma brawddeg yr wythnos. Beth wyt ti'n hoffi chwarae? This means what do you like to play?
You can answer this by saying,
Dwi'n hoffi chwarae ...
Dwi'n hoffi chwarae pêl-droed.
Dwi'n hoffi chwarae yn y môr.
Dwi'n hoffi chwarae dodgeball.
Dwi'n hoffi chwarae hoci achos mae'n wych.
Stand your sentence by giving a reason.
Dwi'n hoffi chwarae rugby achos mae'n gyffrous.
By talking about who you like playing with.
Dwi'n hoffi chwarae pêl-droed gyda ffrindiau.
You could also say when you play the game.
Dwi'n hoffi chwarae pêl-droed gyda ffrindiau amser cinio.
Shwmae, gai chwarae gyda ti? Shwmae, Kay, beth wyt ti'n hoffi chwarae? Pêl-droed.
A fi, dwi'n hoffi chwarae pêl-droed achos mae'n gwych.
Dyna ma. Wyt ti'n hoffi chwarae?
Dwi'n hoffi
Beth wyt ti'n hoffi chwarae? Dwi'n hoffi chwarae pêl-droed gyda Mrs Davies.
Shwmae Claire, shwmae Jack. Beth wyt ti'n hoffi chwarae? Dwi'n hoffi chwarae faint o gloch yw hi Mr Blythe gyda dosbarth hi. Cŵl iawn. Dwi'n hoffi chwarae faint o gloch ydw hi Mr Blythe hefyd, ond ar llaw arall mae'n well 'da fi chwarae
Mae fideos Cymraeg Cymraeg yn wych, achos
mae'n helpu pawb i siarad Cymraeg. Hwyl!